description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got another one from CG of Nepal. This is from their Soaltee range. This is their chicken with soup base instant noodle. So yeah, chicken. I always find that chicken is a good baseline of a brand because it's kind of hard to, if I'm doing reviews of a brand and their chicken is horrible, that kind of says something, you know what I mean? It's hard to mess up chicken. I'm sure these guys won't. Yeah, 3 minutes on the boil. Making some noodles today. So for you, it's January 3rd, 2026. Wow, it's August 14th, 2025 for me. Happy New Year. I'm hoping you're having an enjoyable New Year. And yeah, had a good New Year's Eve, holiday season, and now enjoying the newness. So yeah. It's kind of fun. I don't know. We never really do anything for New Year's other than just kind of sit here, watch it on TV, listen to things blow up in the distance. Usually it's cold and the weather's not all that great. Speaking of the weather, not yesterday, but the day before, it hit like 95 degrees, and I think right now it's in the 60s. It's just like total about face. Looking at the possibility this afternoon of some rain. Still supposed to get somewhat warm, but that's kind of a nice respite because we've been running the AC for days. Our AC went on the fritz. We got a new one coming today, and yeah, so good. Anyways, this brand is, or this range rather, is Soaltee. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's spelled Soaltee. And I did a little research. I looked it up, and it's a Nepali term for like companion or close friend. So that seems like kind of a thing that you would call a brand or a range. Yeah. Friendly. And yeah, I'm really, like I said in the last one, I'm really looking forward to learning more about Nepal. I've gained like all these little bits of info about all these different countries, and it's kind of it's really interesting. Yeah. So you do this, and then you add the seasoning in, and you stir it up, and you're done. So they sent me these bowls that I really like. I'm kind of, with my lighting situation, I'm not so sure I'm going to use them for the entire series. Because the amount of liquid that gets put in, the bowls have a depth to them which is perfect for like sitting on the couch and having a bowl of noodles. But for photography, it's not optimal. So, we'll see. And I think I've figured out a little bit more on how to use my DSLR, so I'm hoping the pictures come out better today than they did yesterday. They didn't come out too bad yesterday. I was using a filter, and then after I was all done, I was like, you know, I don't think this filter's so great. And guess what? It was filthy. And I kind of like tried to see what it actually did. I was hoping it was a polarizing filter, right? And it didn't seem to be that case. And of the filters that were in there, there was such a light filtration. It was very minimal. So I decided, yeah, you know what? I'm going to ditch the filter. So let's try this. Yes. There is our noodle. Interesting gauge. Cheers. Standard. Kind of gummy. I kind of like that. A little extra gauge, actually. Here's the broth. Yeah. I like it. That's a decent chicken noodle. And it's definitely a little different. A wee bit. I think I'm detecting a slight pinch of heat. I could be wrong. Okay. The last one had 250 mils of water. This one has 280. But yeah, see how low the water sits in there? This works, like if I took pictures over here, that would be fine. However, I do not do that because I want you to be able to have a nice picture to look at rather than something that's like bleached out by artificial light. I really don't like taking pictures with artificial light so much. A little chicken. A little stalk of coriander. And a little bit of crushed red pepper. Ooh, spicy. I think I'm gonna go with this. I'm really gotta learn how I want to do this style of noodle and garnish it. Alright. Let's see. Oh. Alright. Watch it spin. All right, well, that is the inaugural second, I guess, episode of the show, doing a meat manufacturer. It's been forever since I've done such a thing, so you'll have to bear with me a little. But yeah, this is good. This is fun. I am enjoying this. So yes. So there'll be more coming up. There's spicy ones. There's a snack noodle. There's a bunch of stuff. So stay tuned. You'll get to see more soon. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramenrator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and your new year. Have a good one. Bye-bye.